Hermits. Today we are going to the gym for the second time. I usually work out at home, but she wants to go, so we're going. Okay? I'm scared to vlog.
Let's do this in Ilocano style because I'm hard to English. Oh, ag-warm up tayo pa lang because you want to stretch your body. English ko Ilocano, pull up. DJ lang tsaka mo ti Ilocano ti pull up. Basta pull up, 4 sets of 12 of pull ups, and then this one cable row. Ti Ilocano ti cable row, ajak mo. Agguyod ti kadena, 4 sets of 10. Santo next workout mo, agguyod ti nuang. Gasta. Oh, apay ti kunayo nalakat ti agguyod ti nuang haan. So 4 sets of 10 of nuang. Oh, santo next workout mo, aguli ti nyug. Ay narigatan nagkatanyug. Oh, so nga ag 4 sets of 10 ka mo deto itap no napigsa ka. Oh, next workout mo, agbaling kang manok, tapno napigsakan to agbalut. Oh, santo deti mga workout, deji mapamualaan di grocery di lugan ni mamang mo, tapno napigsa ka hanggang subli-subli narigaton. Oh, deti mga workout ay agkut-kut ka talikod mo no aggagatol. Santo detoy, no kam kamata nakati aso, lumagto ka di aladyo, ay narigati makagalas workout mo, agpangpangaasi ka kiniinang mo nga di nakabautan.
Just finished my workout, guys. Hope you guys like my video, and if you guys want more, comment down and like. Okay, bye.